Hey there, are you ready to dive into the world of one of nature's most dazzling creatures? If you love watching tiny, colorful birds that hover like helicopters and fly like jet fighters, you're in the right place. Welcome to NatureSphere. Today, we're bringing you the magical world of hummingbirds. Before we begin, did you know the tiniest hummingbird is just the size of a bumblebee? That's right, the bee hummingbird from Cuba weighs less than a dime. Now that's a small but mighty marvel. Let's talk about how hummingbirds fly. They don't just flap their wings up and down like other birds. Their wings can rotate in a figure-8 motion, allowing them to hover in mid-air, fly backwards, and even upside down. Their wings beat around 50 times per second, and their heart races up to 1,260 beats per minute. That's some serious energy. Ever wondered why hummingbirds shimmer with such vibrant colors? It's not just pigments. It's microscopic structures in their feathers that reflect light like prisms, creating those dazzling metallic greens and reds. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, including the ruby-throated hummingbird, the violet-crowned hummingbird, and the spectacular sword-billed hummingbird, which has a bill longer than its body. Hummingbirds have a need for speed. Their high-energy lifestyle requires them to eat almost constantly. They visit up to 1,000 flowers a day to sip nectar and also eat insects and spiders for protein. Their tongues can flick in and out up to 13 times per second. Imagine slurping up a milkshake that fast. Hummingbirds aren't just beautiful, they're essential to nature. As they drink nectar, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, helping plants grow and ecosystems thrive. In fact, some plants rely solely on hummingbirds for pollination. Now, let's test your hummingbird knowledge. How far do you think a ruby-throated hummingbird can migrate? Believe it or not, they can fly nonstop across the Gulf of Mexico, about 500 miles without resting. That's like flying a mini jet across the ocean. Comment below your favorite hummingbird fact, or share if you've ever seen one in real life. Hummingbirds are tiny jewels of nature. Beautiful, energetic, and essential to the world around us. If you enjoyed this dive into their world, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more nature wonders. Your support helps us create more amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.